The Phoenix Bird. In the heart of a beautiful ancient garden, under the gentle morning sun, lived a magical bird, the phoenix. With feathers that glowed like the sunrise, the phoenix brought warmth and joy to all around. All the forest animals loved listening to the phoenix's gentle stories and songs. Every morning, they would gather to hear tales of bravery, kindness, and hope, feeling inspired by the phoenix's gentle words. As the phoenix sang, its music floated on the wind, reaching creatures in distant lands. Its song carried hope and happiness everywhere it traveled, brightening even the farthest corners of the world. In a nearby village, two children, a happy boy with a wooden whistle and his cheerful friend, a girl with a bright red headband, played in the green meadows and wished for adventures beyond their home. Suddenly, a magical glowing feather drifted down from above. The boy caught it gently in his hands, and he and his friend stared at it with wide eyes, feeling something special was about to happen. As the children gazed at the magical feather, a soft melody filled the air. They looked up and saw the phoenix soaring high above the clouds, its wings shining with every color of the sunrise. Feeling brave, the children decided to follow the phoenix's song. Together, they walked toward the forest, guided by the glowing feather. The world seemed full of wonder and magic with each step. In the forest, the children met a gentle owl with a shiny monocle. The wise owl explained that the phoenix's feather brings courage and joy, and if they follow kindness, wonderful things will come their way. With the owl guiding them, the children journeyed through magical lands filled with blooming flowers and fluttering butterflies. Every step was an adventure, and their hearts were full of happiness. The travelers reached a bright city full of laughter and music. The owl watched from above as the children showed the magical feather to everyone, spreading excitement, hope, and smiles all around. Suddenly, the phoenix itself glided down to meet them. Its glowing feathers shimmered in the sunlight, and everyone in the city stood amazed at the beautiful, gentle bird. The phoenix spoke softly, teaching that even small acts of kindness and courage can bring new hope and happiness. Its melody filled the square, and everyone felt their hearts shine a little brighter. With a final beautiful song, the phoenix rose into the golden sky, leaving a trail of sparkling feathers. The children and their owl friend waved, knowing that every ending is really a new beginning. Arm in arm, the children made their way home beneath the twinkling stars, carrying the phoenix feather and the wonderful memory of their journey, feeling braver and kinder than ever before. Now, every day, the children tell others about the phoenix and its magic feather. With every kind act and every smile, hope, happiness, and the magic of the phoenix live on, waiting for a new adventure to begin.